Would you want to display a cross-sell offer on the thank you page after your customer completes the purchase in your store? In this video, we will show you how to set it up with your store using the Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell app. Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell is a powerful upselling and cross-selling app that offers a wide range of features, including product recommendations, personalization, analytics, and reporting. It also integrates with a variety of e-commerce platforms. To set up the Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell app, download and install the app on your Shopify store through the link in the description below. Once you have installed the app, on the Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell app dashboard, enable the app and create your upsell or cross-sell offer. To create a cross-sell offer, click the Funnels tab in the app dashboard. Click the Create Funnel or the New Funnel button. Input the funnel name you want and select the post-purchase type to display this funnel. Next, you can modify the option on how you would want to trigger your offer by showing it for all products or specific products or only in the particular collection. When adding a cross-sell offer, this app also has a split test feature where you can create two versions of this funnel. When your funnel is activated, we will split your audience into A and B groups and show them different versions. Select a product you want to offer your customers after they complete the payment section on both versions, A and B. Set the discount of the product you selected to offer for your customers. You can offer a percentage discount, a fixed dollar amount discount, or a fixed price amount. But if you do not want to give your offer a discount, you can select the None option. Offer text. Here you can change the text you display to your customers. Show offer description. You can also add an offer description that may help your products be more detailed and convincing for your customers. Show different text for different locales. If you enable this feature, it entails the translation of the app. The advanced option. Here, you can include free shipping for clients who accept this offer, limit the number of products your buyer could buy, set a minimal number of products your buyer must buy, and add custom field details. For this is a personalized product. The same setup is with version B, but it depends on which product you would want to set as your offer. Next, you can add a 2 downsell condition for offer number 1 on both versions A and B. Adding 2 downsell conditions in a sales context typically means introducing 2 different sets of circumstances or triggers that can lead to offering lower-priced alternatives to the customer. Each downsell condition is a specific scenario or condition under which the seller decides to present a more affordable or scaled-down version of the product or service. This approach aims to increase the chances of closing a sale by addressing different concerns or objections the customer may have, providing them with options that better align with their preferences or budget constraints. To enable this feature on the downsell of offer number 2, version A, you can select or check the Skip this offer so that if the customer accepts the previous offer, will be redirected to checkout. Otherwise, it will prompt and suggest different products to your customer as to what product you added to offer here. But if offer number 1 is declined on the downsell version B, you can also suggest the best product, which will prompt a different offer and help convince your customer to change their mind about buying a product from your store. So choose the best product to offer your customers so you can have a high chance of gaining sales. The same setup is on the split test version B's downsell offer and the second downsell condition if you wish to add. Select the product to offer, add the discount type, add text offer and description, and configure the advance option. Also, an additional feature of this app is the funnel rules. Here, you can set the rules for the funnel you made, but this feature is an optional one. So, before you place this feature, understand how this feature works for your created funnels. The first option is to allow customers to use discount codes and show only a specific cart value. You can target the cart value when your cross-sell offers will appear. Do not show for specific products and collections. Also, you can select to show the funnel to all customers, new customers, and repeat customers only. Select to show this funnel on desktop and mobile, or for both devices. Also, you can decide where you would want to show these funnels only on the thank you page and order confirmation page, or show them on both pages. Skipping the offers if the product is already included in the original order. Targeting specific countries where your funnels will only be displayed. Adding funnel priority. If you have the same offer on one product page, you can set the priority to 1, which is the highest priority. Set start and end times when your funnel will start displaying and when it will end. After setting up the app, save and activate changes to make them visible immediately to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like, follow, and share for more updates.